Hello guys, thank you for watching my YouTube channel, Jerry Make It Easy. Today, I will talk about review and sound test for Sonos Beam Soundbar. Sonos Beam Soundbar is a compact and a smart soundbar. When we are talking about the compact soundbar, we are talking about the size and its audio components inside. With a width 65.1 cm, height is almost 7 cm, depth 10 cm, and weight around 2.8 kg. It has 4 full-range woofer, ensures you will hear the faithful playback of mid-range vocal frequencies, plus deep for rich bass. It has one tweeter in the center to create a crisp and clear dialogue. It has 3 passive radiators to help move air around inside the compact Sonos Beam and add warm sound to the bass. It has 5 Class D digital amplifier perfectly tuned to match the speaker drivers and acoustic architecture. It has 5 far-field microphone array used to advance beamforming and multi-channel auto cancellation, and it has adjustable bass and treble controls let you to customize your sounds by individual room or groups of rooms. As I mentioned earlier, Sonos Beam Soundbar is also the smart soundbar. Sonos Beam Soundbar has built-in Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, so you can play music, check news, set alarm, get your question answered, and more. Completely hands-free, including to turn on or off your TV directly via the voice command. It's also supported AirPlay too, so you can play music directly in your Sonos Beam soundbar from any of your Apple devices. It's supported for connection through Wi-Fi, so you do not need to play the music using Bluetooth, which has distance limitation. Even, Sonos also provided one Ethernet port. You're able to see this is the Ethernet port. So you can connect to your internet router through UTP cable, which giving you more stabilization for the network. Sonos Beam Soundbar provided touch button for mute and unmute the microphone. Here is the button. If you see, this is a logo of a microphone. So this is a touch button. The microphone icon and the light will turn on or off. When the microphone light is on, it's ready for a voice command. When the light is off, the microphone is off. This ensures privacy when you want it. Sonos Beam setup is very simple. Starting from unboxing the Sonos Beam, you only require 2 cables, power and HDMI cable. This is for power cable and this is for HDMI cable. And automatic remote detection by a personal mobile device. Sonos Beam connects to your TV's HDMI ARC port. Most TVs has 2 to 4 HDMI ports, one of which is labeled ARC, which stands for Audio Return Channel. The HDMI ARC port syncs audio and the picture, plus automatically pairs your TV remote to Sonos Beam. If you are unsure if your TV has an HDMI ARC, consult your TV specs with the manufacturer. If your TV is older than 5 years or otherwise doesn't have HDMI ARC port, you can use the included optical audio adapter to connect Sonos Beam to the optical port on your TV. Here is the cable that provided by the Sonos. So one side is the optical and the other side is the HDMI female. So the optical you connect to your TV side, and the HDMI female you plug the HDMI cable, and another HDMI set of cable will be connected to your Sonos Beam HDMI. Here is the HDMI port. Please take note that Amazon Alexa TV voice command will not work when connected via the optical adapter. So when you are using this optical adapter, the function of the Alexa and Google Assistant for the TV voice command will not able to work. It's because of the limitation of the optical cable. So to ensure that you're able to control your TV via the voice command, you must using the HDMI out. Sonos Beam Soundbar is a great soundbar on its own. It also wirelessly pairs with the subwoofer for added bass and pair of Sonos speakers for full surround sound. A setup with left and right rears and the sub give you true 5.1 surround sound. Sonos Beam plays audio from PCM stereo and Dolby Digital sources. You're able to pair with other Sonos Beam speaker to build rear surround with your Sonos Beam soundbar, or you can add other Sonos speaker for separate room, so it able to play as multi-room speaker or as an individual. To remind everyone, from my previous video unboxing Sonos Beam soundbar, the Sonos Beam not provide remote control. As replacement of the Sonos Beam remote control, you need to install the application. The application name is Sonos Control. Let me show you how to search the application in Apple Store. First, we go to Apple Store. On the search column, we search Sonos. Here is the application name, Sonos Controller. So you need to install this application for you to use as the remote for your Sonos Beam. As I mentioned earlier, to adjust the volume of bass and treble of Sonos Beam soundbar, you need to adjust from the Sonos application from your mobile device. Let me show you how to adjust the bass and treble from your application. First, open Sonos application. Then you choose setting on the right bottom. Okay. After that, you choose system. Then choose the product. In this case is a Sonos Beam. You scroll down, you will under section of sound, you will see EQ, which stands for the equalizer. You click it, then you will see the setting for the bass and treble. So it's very easy. You just need to scroll the bass level. Example, you want to change to 5. Okay. And the treble, example, you want to change to 3 or 5 also is the same. Okay. Then you choose back. Okay. It's automatically changed on your Sonos Beam soundbar. So the default setting for equalizer is for the bass is 0 plus 0. The treble also plus 0. The maximum for the bass will be plus 10, and the maximum for the treble also plus 10. It's very easy for you to adjust this equalizer for the bass and treble. Now, I'm going to perform sound tests for Sonos Beam Soundbar by playing audio files with the format Dolby Digital. Please use your headphone so you will able to hear the bass power of Sonos Beam Soundbar without the subwoofer. The sound was recorded at 2.5 meters in front of Sonos Beam Soundbar.
You're up, kid.
As stated in the Sonos Beam website, it performs perfectly for small and medium room size. You're able to hear strong bass even without the subwoofer installed with its compact size. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, Jerry Make It Easy. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, or comment so you always get something which make you easy from this channel. Have a nice day. Goodbye.